Live.
And for today's episode, we'll
Meron na
also
din framework.
be giving you the framework of billing. Kasi yung topic natin today is how to bill a client. We have the 5 frictions of billing, and then we address it through the framework of billing, the bills. So, what good billing really requires? It requires that we know our worth and our
Value.
value. And then, dapat alam natin yung inclusions and limitations ng billing. Kung ano ba yung included sa
Alam
billing.
natin yung
ano ba
fee structure.
selling. Yes.
Diba? Alam natin
Ayan.
yung fee
Yung structure. And then, language. Dapat, naka-communicate natin kay client kung na properly yung babayaran niyang mga
Yung
fees.
mga inclusion, limitation,
And
dapat
then,
talaga, di ba?
included na din yung mga techniques natin doon. Like, dapat nandun si secretary, yung pag naghahagol, ibabalik yung tanong na, okay, magkano ba yung gusto mong discount? Let them decide para, magaan sa loob ni client pag nagbabayad na siya. Kasi iba kasi yung mabigat sa loob
Diba?
na nagbabayad kasi parang namamahalan siya. Pag galing sa kanya, mas magaan na yun.
Yeah.
And then, lastly, build a billing system para hindi pa iba-iba yung fees na sinisingil mo.
Parang
At least standard
nagdi-discriminate
siya.
pag walang
Oo.
standard.
Wala, yes. So, dapat may standard para kahit wala ka, mayroong mabibigay na price or fee yung staff
team natin,
inside
diba?
the
Yeah.
office.
Encase, our legal companion.
Good evening,
Oy.
Panieros and Panieras. Welcome to the new episode of
Episode
Court
4 na tayo
Series.
ngayon, no?
Nandito na tayo ngayon. We are on our episode 4. It's very exciting. How are you, Attorney Hill?
Yeah, medyo masaya kasi
Bakit? Medyo lang.
medyo lang. Kasi kinakabahan pa rin, hindi pa sanay.
Meron pa din yung konting.
Yeah. Pero exciting ngayon kasi gusto nating marinig kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa practice natin.
Yes, because a big part of legal practice is actually learned through experience.
Oo,
like
hindi
how we
naman.
handle case.
Saka mas maganda talaga na may matatanong tayo. Di ba? Ang
Ngayon,
hirap-
meron tayong tatanungin.
Ayan. Kaya
Yun.
exciting ngayong episode natin ngayon.
This is very exciting because we have a very special guest.
Oh, kasi
So, do we
introduce na natin?
introduce na ba natin? Okay. For this episode of Off Court series, we are joined by a lawyer whose journey has crossed several fields: academe, media, private practice, and public service. She is a cum laude, a pharmacy graduate of the University of San Carlos, learned her law degree from Southwestern University, and was admitted to the bar in 2008. And she has also served as a legal educator and a public communicator through programs such as Partners in Law on CCTN and Ang Balaod Karon on DYRC Action Radio. She has held leadership roles in the legal community, including the IBP Cebu chapter and the Cebu Lady Lawyers Association. And she has also served or serving as a commissioned officer of the Judge Advocate General Service Reserve as the Lieutenant Colonel. In this conversation, we will talk to her about prosecution and private practice, public service, and practical lessons lawyers learn when they see the law in different seats. So please welcome the very gorgeous Assistant Provincial Prosecutor Joyce
Adlaw.
Adlaw.
Yay!
Alam, na-excite ko sa introduction. Mas na-excite ko sa gorgeous. Hello everyone, good evening.
Yeah, good
I
evening,
am happy
Fiscal.
to be part of today's off-court series.
Yeah.
We're
Yes.
talking about the realities of legal practice.
Yes.
Oo, kasi pag nasa korte tayo, ang challenging din dun eh.
It's very challenging.
At saka hindi tayo maka-easily discuss doon, fiscal, di ba?
Yes.
Pero dito, pwede natin pag-usapan.
We will try.
Yeah.
We will try to talk about everything.
Yeah, definitely we will learn a lot from you, fiscal.
I hope so.
Particularly with the prosecution and
Yeah.
Yes.
Akala ko fiscal yung tinatawag natin yung pusil, no? Pusil sa law school.
Pusil.
Aha.
Oh, parang dito, ikaw yung magre-recite ngayon, ah.
Kaya nga natakot ako. Baka hindi ko masagot. Diba?
Dami namin questions dito.
Oo.
Back to you, si Professor Attorney Adlaw.
Yeah. We're changing the table.
Baliktad na ngayon.
Yes.
So, ano?
Let's start.
Pwede na
let's
tayong
start.
magsimula, fiscal.
Okay, fire away.
Okay.
Go first, Attorney Hill.
Sige,
Yes,
madali
yes.
lang ito. At least, preliminaries lang, fiscal.
Preliminaries,
Kung
okay.
laying the foundation.
Sige, go.
Sige,
Baka
ilang taon
ma-object.
na sa practice, private practice, at saka being a prosecutor?
Okay. I was in the private practice for 12 years.
12 years.
Yes.
12
Before
years.
I joined the National Prosecution Service.
So, ilan na ngayon sa...
I'm on my almost 6 years with NPS.
Ang dami na, no?
Almost 6 years, half of
Yeah,
practice.
half of being in the private practice.
Kumusta na yung private practice, fiscal? Kumusta na yung being a prosecutor?
After 6 years, I would say na I have reached the point na I'm kind of bored already.
Bored? Naalala ko si fiscal kasi itong si fiscal, parati itong prepared eh.
Yes.
No? Pumupunta ako, tas andun si fiscal, parang private practitioner yung
Yung
kaharap ko.
Ang daming lista.
So, grabe talaga
Labahan ka
mag-prepare
na.
si fiscal. Oh.
No, the private practice for 12 years actually helped a lot.
Yeah.
You know?
So, ano ba yung mga learnings natin sa private practice na nadala mo sa
We're able to
prosecution?
apply in the-
The good thing is, in private practice, we all know na hindi tayo makakabill if we don't do anything. Diba? So, I've carried that in the National Prosecution Service.
Ah.
So, I am proud to say na wala akong pending for
Wow.
preliminary
Ah.
investigation because I make it a point to finish.
Hmm.
Kasi nga, as a private practitioner for 12 years, kailangan kong tapusin, otherwise wala
Yeah.
akong maibibill.
At saka
I'm
parati tayong
No bill, no
papagalitan.
eat.
Of course, diba? Oo.
At
So,
saka
I
alam
always-
natin si fiscal may award to eh.
Madaming award.
awardee.
May award to
Oh.
sa prosecution kasi
Yes.
yung sinusulat napakabilis eh.
It's
Ano ba
not
yung
more
tawag sa
of-
award, fiscal?
Yeah, it's best written resolution when we resolve
Best
cases
written
in
resolution.
OPP. Actually, our office made that to, give at least to encourage prosecutors to do better in writing. We don't do just the pro forma resolution. We explain thoroughly.
Parang
So when-
na-imagine ko si fiscal wala yung for no reason.
I know, we discuss all.
Kumbaga may
we
facts
discuss
at
everything.
saka may law talaga.
Yes,
Yeah,
we make
we have
sure that the complainant will also
Oh.
understand why we have to dismiss the case.
Yeah.
And the respondent would also understand, so there's really legal basis for me to be in court.
So you've been si fiscal has
Been
been in
the-
practice, she's been in practice for 12
12
years.
years.
And then naglipat to the prosecution.
For-
What made you
What made you enter prosecution service, fiscal?
Actually, I did not plan to enter
No.
the NPS.
How did it
accident pala
happen?
ito,
Yes.
accident, no?
I didn't even wish or pray to become a lawyer. Did you know that?
Okay.
Oh.
Para mahabang usapan to.
Mahaba-habang usapan. Let's try to cut it short. I am a pharmacist by profession.
Yeah,
Okay.
cum laude ba?
Ang small things.
Back in pharmacy, usually pag pharma ka, you go to med school.
Oo, yeah.
Med
That's
school.
the
Yeah,
usual path.
usual path. But then I had a teacher who became a dean in Southwestern. She
Okay.
was my teacher in San Carlos. She became a dean in Southwestern University. She was the one who encouraged me to start teaching because I was very young when I became a pharmacist.
Okay.
So I was teaching for about 4 years. That's when I saw law students in Southwestern bringing
Ah.
all these books and
Books.
all.
Ah.
Oo. And my students would be, kilig ba? So what's with law students? So what's in there?
Okay.
I didn't
Curious.
plan. So I just tried. So instead of
Okay.
enrolling in medical,
Parang
I
naboboard ka na din doon, ah.
kind of. Yes. I taught the College of Pharmacy for about 4 years. So my classroom in the morning for the College of Pharmacy became a classroom in the evening for the College of Law.
Okay. So you will see them. Kaya
Yes.
pala.
But it it came to a point that I did not understand why did I enroll.
In College of Law.
Yes, in the College of Law, I did not understand why am I here. It was only when I reached a third year that I thought it's either I'm gonna pass the bar exam or drop out.
Okay.
So what's the point in taking up law? You know, because
Existential crisis.
yeah, I was having fun of, you know, receiving allowances from my brothers and my parents. So wala.
Ang
I did
sarap
not
pala
dream
ng
to
buhay.
become
No?
a lawyer. I did not dream to become a lawyer. So
Yeah.
anyway,
So, at saka nagiging lawyer ka, at saka nagiging fiscal pa.
yeah,
But
after
for-
12 years,
Oh.
because it's like this. For 12 years, I handled diverse cases.
Yeah.
Diverse cases.
Diverse. I became part of a law office of Attorney Bacchiano,
Okay.
and we were the retainer of one of the malls here in Cebu. So I started with labor cases.
Labor
Labor
cases.
Siyempre, yung kasama dyan, yung mga theft.
Ah,
Diba?
yeah.
Yung ating mga theft. Ganyan lang, yung mga cases. And then, hanggang nag-level up tayo, we tried to handle na yung mga HLRB cases, then we come murder na, meron ng mga BP22, kahit ano. Yeah.
So, marami ng experience talaga.
Marami na. But I did not choose cases.
Okay.
Kung anong nandyan, I even handled
Yun na
unjust
yun.
vexation cases. And in law school, we know that that's the least case that, you know, wag wala ka nang may file, unjust vexation na.
Ah.
I handle unjust vexation cases.
Naalala ko tuloy yung case ko, fiscal. Iba yung final, may lumabas din na unjust vexation.
Okay. Stuff like that. So, I handled almost everything. I did not decline, wala ako. Hindi ako choosy.
Okay.
Hindi ako choosy.
Kaya, ano yung deciding factor na mag-fiscal talaga?
Yes.
Para sa mga
I just
audience
want-
natin na pag-guidean din sila.
What made you enter the prosecution
I just
service?
wanted to see if my 12 years of private practice is enough
Okay.
to, you know,
Parang
enter public
nagtitesting.
service. Yeah.
Sarap ng buhay ni fiscal.
It kind of, I reached to the point na nagiging bored ako. So I applied in the National Prosecution Service. And when I got in, I got bored again. That's when I joined the Air Force. And then, now that
Nag-join sa
I'm
JAGS.
just a few years back, I got bored again. So I enrolled in Masters of Law. And I don't know kung maboboard ako next year. Ano na naman ang gagawin?
I think I can
doctors.
anticipate na si fiscal magiging judge.
No.
What if?
Yeah, I guess it's about, you know, back in high school, di ba, we always say na, let's shatter ceilings.
Yeah. Yun pala.
So for me, it's not about shattering ceilings
Yeah.
anymore. Wala nating ceilings. Everything is on the floor already. So it's a limitless boundary.
Yeah.
You
Kung
can
ano
go
yung maisip
wherever
natin.
You know,
Yes, explore. I
Go
just wanted
for
to
it.
explore. That's why I'm in the National Prosecution Service. But,
So, katulad
hindi
din ng
ako
off-court
nagsisisi.
series fiscal.
yeah,
Di ba? Because alam natin na ano pa yung pwede natin gawin.
pwedeng gawin.
Then,
ha?
ganito. Kaya na-born din si off-court series.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good.
Kasi
This is
we
really
just want
nice
to
na.
help ba?
Oh,
Alam
amazing.
natin yung mga insights nyo. Kasi I am not in the prosecution. I really don't know ano yung mga mindset. So, kaya ganito yung ginagawa
It's
natin.
good.
You're
It's
really
good that
born
you're,
out of one
Yeah.
purpose, to
Yeah.
help.
yeah, that's very good. Because when I started with the private practice, nobody guided me.
Walang YouTube.
Oh, walang
fiscal.
YouTube. You are there and you're, so this is it. Walang ganyan. Back in Southwestern University, wala kaming yung mga
Walang
moot-moot
clinics.
courses.
Walang
Yeah, we
clinic.
didn't have that.
The legal clinic.
That's why I admire newbies who appear in court with their senior partners guiding them.
Oh.
And I will tell these senior lawyers, thank you for guiding these people. Because we all have to start somewhere.
Yeah,
Very
ang hirap
fortunate to
fiscal.
be that one,
I remember fiscal nang nagsimula ko, wala akong matanong-tanong eh.
Exactly. Oh,
Sige,
So, Fiscal,
fiscal.
if I am joining the prosecution,
okay.
what changes should I expect?
Okay, changes. If you are in the private practice, you only appear for that particular case, right?
Yeah.
If your case is called 10 to 15 minutes and you're done.
Hmm.
Done na.
If you enter the prosecution service, all cases,
Sa'yo na lahat.
akin na lahat.
Kadalasan.
Yes. And that's why I'm very happy to see private lawyers.
Yeah.
That's
Joining-
one docket of my back, diba? But that's not what prosecutors do. It's not about appearing in court only. We resolve cases for preliminary
Yes.
investigation.
Yeah.
Di ba?
We conduct inquest proceedings. Tapos may addition na naman, meron tayong preliminary investigation hearing, which,
Yes.
di ba,
So-
tawag namin
So, from what you're saying, fiscal, mas maraming work
Mas maraming
sa
work.
prosecution
Oh, yes.
compared to private practice.
Oh, yes.
What
Kasi
about-
sa private practice, di ba, pag
You have plenty of
limang
time.
hearings in 1 week, parang ang dami ng hearing, ha?
Yeah.
di ba?
Okay na, next schedule na.
Ah,
Kasi madami ng
yes.
hearings.
But in NPS, wala.
Ah.
Sometimes we conduct hearings the whole day. There
Yun.
are days na wala.
Yes. Merong mga courts fiscal na, di ba? Whole day yung hearing eh.
Whole day
Yes.
ang hearing.
Ang
So,
hirap
they
nun.
have to appear whole day.
So, mga panyeros-panyeras, you have to consider na pag magjo-join kayo sa fiscal, ang hearing nyo, minsan, 15 cases in morning lang.
How many have
Di ba?
you?
15?
Ilan
I'll be
yung
very happy if I have
pinakamarami
15,
fiscal?
attorney. I will be very happy if I have 15.
Normal day fiscal. Ilang
Normal
case?
day with my court in Mandaue, I have 65. 65.
Ang dami, no?
Yes.
Dami ring reset.
Marami din. But there are a lot of also
Yeah, pero kailangan
child.
ding pag,
That's
di ba,
the
pag-studyhan,
minimum,
kahit,
65.
di ba, kahit pag-study din, di ba?
What
Yun
about
yung ang hirap,
prohibitions,
no? Ang hirap.
Ang daming prohibitions. Of course, if you're in the public
Government.
yes, if
Yeah.
you're in the government, if you want to teach, you have to acquire the authority to teach.
Mm.
Prohibitions on gifts.
Yeah.
That,
Ang hirap din yun.
I've been in the private practice for 12 years. I've gained a lot of friends. Most
Yeah.
of my clients eventually became my friends.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
And you cannot avoid them
Magbibigay
Giving.
sa'yo.
magbibigay.
Bringing,
Okay.
yes.
So, it would be kind of an insult for them if you don't receive it. For as long as it's not on a regular basis,
Yeah.
tanggapin mo. But I always advise those from transitioning
Ah.
into public service to, try to be a little discreet about it. Don't
Ah.
post it on Facebook. I mean, a few days back, I commented on something on Facebook because she was a lawyer and eventually a public servant.
Ah.
I received a lot of bashing. So, ganyan.
Ano ba yung comment mo doon?
My
Anong
comment was
comment?
that, maganda sana, I understand where she's coming from because I was in the private practice, but sana hindi na lang pinost. Because as a public servant, we have that, alam mo, yung appearance of being impartial.
Kasi
Oh.
importante yan kasi.
Yes,
Even
of
the
course.
appearance.
Di ba?
Yes,
You should
appearance.
appear as
Correct.
Hindi lang sa judges yan.
Impartial.
Hindi lang. It applies to
syempre.
those in the public service.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
So, daming comment.
Of course, ang dami. But
Pero nakatulog ka pa naman.
nakatulog ako. I eat arguments for breakfast. It doesn't bother me anymore, unlike before. It doesn't bother me
Parang
anymore.
may experience na.
Yeah, it doesn't bother me.
Now, Pascal, how was your experience in private practice helped you become a better prosecutor?
I am more understanding
Mm.
with the complainants.
Mm-mm.
Because dati kasi I only see it as in the private I'm sorry to say this, but in the
POV,
back in the private practice, yes, parang ang focus mo is about, how to build this client so that, I can put food on my table. I
Our
mean, let's
topic
admit
last
it.
episode was
Diba?
how to be a client.
Diba? How to put food on my table? How am I going to raise my child? How am I going to send my daughter to school? So I have to accept cases.
Ah.
Majority of that is for
The accused.
the money, for
For the money.
that's coming in.
Ah.
But if you are in the public service, of course, iba na.
Iba na.
Iba na.
Kasi hindi ka na mag-iisip kung ano yung kakainin.
Yeah.
Ano yung pambayad sa...
Wala na. Regular
It's
tayo
regular.
dyan.
Yeah, yun din yung
Already.
kagandahan sa private prosecutors, yung nasa government.
Yes.
Kasi stable na yung income.
Stable and income. But,
Kahit may pandemic,
but
may
yes.
income din.
But the passion is still there.
Yeah.
The passion to protect your clients, the passion to,
Yung oath na natin,
we
fiscal.
swore to protect our clients.
Yes.
Yun.
Super important talaga.
Of course.
Diba?
Now, there is a follow-up question.
Follow-up question would be,
The follow-up question is, would your answer be the same if hindi mataas yung experience mo from the private practice, considering that you had 12 years of
12
experience
years.
in a private
Oh.
practice?
I don't think so. Because had I been in the private practice for, let's say, 1 to 2 years,
Mhm.
and then I entered eventually to the
Prosecution.
prosecution, pareho lang siguro.
Mm.
Because I don't speak for everybody, but I understand people better.
Yeah.
I don't just see myself. I see where is this person coming from. That's why if we have lawyers in the court, mas mahaba pa yung pag-uusapan namin with regards to the background, what happened to you, why are you here, and stuff like that,
Yeah.
rather than on the
So,
case.
walang personal talaga.
Walang
Personalan.
personalan.
Oh, I understand that they are fighting for their causes. I understand that they are for the accused, but it does not mean that we are, magkaaway kami.
Yeah. Pero hindi mawasan minsan, may mga personalan talaga, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, siguro sa iba, but luckily in Cebu, wala naman.
Yeah.
Not much. Not
Yeah.
much.
You're more on camaraderie.
Yes, in the legal
Kasi
profession
we
in
also
Cebu.
have to, as lawyers, kailangan din kasi na mag-ano tayo sa kasama natin sa
Of
profession,
course.
di ba?
And our clients don't understand that.
Yeah.
Not everybody understand that.
Kaya sa practice namin, we at first hand inform the client na magkausap kami ni, yung counsel sa kabila. And you have to
Yes.
understand that.
Mm.
And, di ba?
You have to just explain.
Now, fiscal, when is the best time to enter prosecution?
If you think you're ready, I think pwede na.
Ha?
But para sa akin lang, if
From your point of
yeah,
view.
from my point of view, 12 years, no,
Too much?
hindi ako nagsisisi.
Yeah.
Wow.
I've learned a lot.
Yeah.
But for the new lawyers, I would say you explore all
Explore
cases.
mo na.
Yes,
All
you explore.
cases.
Later
Yes.
na yung government.
Later na.
What
If
about
you
those
think-
who fear na,
Na?
like, if their first criminal cases, they have fears?
We all start somewhere. We all start somewhere.
Yeah.
But I remember that if you're a new lawyer,
Mhm.
basic yan. We all read the same books. Your RPC is the same as my RPC.
Yeah.
Your civil code is the same as mine.
Yeah.
So why will you be scared? Diba?
Pero, di mo iwasan fiscal yung kaba.
Yung kaba.
Oh yes. When I first appeared in court, I had to write the respectfully appearing for the accused. I am
Oh.
Attorney Joyce Preston Adlao.
Sinusulat pa yan.
I had to write it down because I know I will
Baka mawala
forget.
sa
Yes.
flow.
It's
Makalimutan.
not easy. It's
Yeah.
not easy. But as the time goes on, it becomes a routine already.
Mm.
Yeah.
You can,
Pabalik-balik na lang,
exchange
ganyan.
pleasantries with the lawyer, with
Mm.
everybody in court.
See?
Normal.
Yeah. So, over time, ma-overcome yung mga fears.
And
di ba?
that's why we call it practice.
Yeah.
Because
you
the more
always
we
practice.
yes, the more we appear in court, the more we are able to express ourselves better.
Pero, yung nasa court ka, pag iba na yung judge.
Ayan.
Yeah.
So, practice.
Ay, it's always a
Continuous
practice.
practice talaga.
Correct.
Hindi
It's
pwedeng,
always.
hindi na
We don't
Hindi na
stop.
practice.
Ah.
Showdown. Practice
To.
lagi.
Ito, fiscal basic.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the main role of prosecution
Prosecutor
sa case?
Main role of the prosecution, that would be to advance the causes of our clients, to see that justice is done,
Mm.
but in the same manner that it does not mean that the lawyers for the respondents
Mm.
are not also seeking for justice.
Yeah.
It cuts both ways.
Mm.
Depende.
So, importante lang talaga kung paano pinipresent.
Of course.
Kasi
Of
we are
course.
not there, di ba?
Yes.
We are not there. Importante
nga.
talaga, di ba?
Sabi nga nila, attorney, no matter how thin you slice a cake, there will always be two sides of it.
Yeah.
So kahit
There-
anong side ka, if
Ah.
you're for the prosecution, then you fight for your case. You
For the
fight for your
prosecution.
Then if you're for the respondent, then you
Mm.
fight for the
Pero
prosecution.
sa prosecution fiscal, may investigation kayo, di ba?
Yes, we do that,
So,
which is good.
Hmm.
Para mahashasa natin lahat ng cases.
Kaya
Not
kasi
everything goes up
maraming may mga questions pa tayo
there.
dyan,
Not
fiscal,
everything
ha?
goes up there.
Yeah.
No, fiscal, we generally, from my point of view, we all have our own biases.
Mhm.
But how do you remove your biases, if there is any, in relation to being fair in the cases that you are handling?
Lucky for me, hindi pa ako dumadating sa point na yan.
Mm.
Ah.
In every case na nararaffle sa akin, regardless if kilala ko or hindi yung lawyer or
Mm.
even the litigant,
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
I always have to compartmentalize.
Mm.
This is job, this is my personal life. You know,
Ah.
I always resolve cases based on the law, based on the evidence
Yeah.
that, I even had to dismiss several cases of a client, of a lawyer who's a
Ah.
good friend. You just have to, what's with me? I try to resolve it. I assess it. I evaluate.
Yeah.
If it does not
Mhm.
meet the required quantum,
Then
I dismiss it.
Dismiss
Oo.
talaga, di ba?
Yeah. But, yun. You compartmentalize. You try to separate personal from
Personal
work.
Work.
Trabaho
Kailangan
lang to.
talaga, kailangan talaga,
Yes.
di ba?
In everything.
Actually, may case ako, tapos na yung case,
Tapos na.
si fiscal yung nagre-resolve. Ang ganda ng pagkasulat.
Ano
That
yun?
is why she was awarded as the
What
best
was that?
resolution. Best written
Ano yun?
resolution.
Rape case.
Actually, my comment tayo from Attorney Hope Cecily.
Oh.
Assistant Provincial Prosecutor Joyce was one of the lady lawyers I look up to.
Ah.
When we were both in private practice, fierce kayo sa courtroom. Wow!
I remember Attorney Hope. I think I was still in the private practice then, but already actively involved with Celia.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, I had an experience when I was a newbie lawyer. I appeared in one of the judges, a lady RTC judge in Cebu City. I appeared in her court at 8:30 in the morning, but only to find out that her hearing starts at 8:25.
8:20.
So my attention was
5
full.
minutes.
8:25.
You're
My
5
attention
minutes
was full.
late.
Yes. When she looked at the calendar,
Mhm.
when I entered the courtroom, she looked at the calendar and she said, "Call case number." that's my case. So when I appeared, she told me, my cases start at 8:25. You are 5 minutes late. So, from there, I learned things. When you
Yeah.
appear in a certain judge, you have to know, ano ba yung gusto niya? Ano ba yung
Yeah.
ayaw niya?
The rules.
Even the way
Kasali
you
sa
dress.
practice
Of
natin.
course, even the way you dress. I appeared in her court with a dress, kind of plunging neckline. She called my attention. She even called my attention for wearing an open-toe sandals.
Yeah.
So from then on, I always appear in court dressed
Ah.
properly.
Which
Close.
is, dapat naman talaga.
Yes.
Di ba?
So I remembered with Attorney Hope, kasi naging uso noon yung bandage skirt. I had to tap her.
So,
to
hindi ko
know
alam.
Ay, sorry, attorney, you know what? Try to, wear the skirt, hindi yung bandage kasi you don't wear that.
Yeah.
You know, stuff like that. And I don't hesitate calling lawyers appearing
Yeah,
in
yeah.
our court.
Yeah. Kasi important din yan.
Last month, a male lawyer appeared in San Fernando.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay naman yung appearance niya. And fortunately, yung pants niya kasi naka-fold. Para pinakita yung medyas na ganyan. So I had to tell him,
Gen Z.
attorney, yeah, the Gen Z. Attorney, you have to pull that down. Kasi parang may baka. So I had to, pina-joke na lang. But he said, yeah, okay po. But we really have to tell that.
Yeah,
so that lawyers
kasi,
appear properly dressed.
We need
Importante
It's all
kasi.
about packaging.
Actually,
Diba?
marami akong makikita, fiscal, na pumupunta sa court. I don't know, probably it comes with experience or age,
Mhm.
na
Comes with
nagka-jeans yung...
Yes, we still have
With age.
Hindi naman tama yan.
Hindi tama. It's
Hindi
not
tama yan.
appropriate. Yeah.
Naka-t-shirt, tapos naka-coat lang. Parang, di pwede,
The way we
especially with
appear,
sa mga
yeah.
lalaki, hindi pwede, di
Hindi
ba?
pwede. We appear. That's part of our
Neat,
packaging.
professional.
That's
Yeah.
part of how our clients
Ito,
will
fiscal.
treat us. Yes.
Okay.
So, may cases sa fiscal. Alam natin yung fiscal, may investigation. tas
Preliminary investigation.
before makarating sa court yung cases.
Mhm.
Alam natin yan, mga panyeros. So, ang tanong ko, fiscal, minsan, kadalasan, hindi ikaw naman yung nagre-resolve sa investigation.
Mhm.
Yes.
Tapos, napunta sa court, ikaw yung assigned
Na
fiscal
Resident
sa court.
prosecutor.
O resident
Okay.
prosecutor yung tawag. So, there are cases na talaga, ba't ito pumasok?
Bakit nakalusot?
Ba't
Oo.
nakalusot?
Okay.
Yeah, di ba?
Yeah.
What do you do in those cases, fiscal?
I read the file. I read the resolution. And if I think that I am not convinced, I talk to the complainant. And then I talk to one of our deputies. And then I explain what I want. So, tinatanong sa, what do you want? I said, I want to amend the information. Okay lang kung amend. But there are a
Dismiss.
lot of cases, not really, ay, masakit sa fiskal yun na dismiss ang
Yes.
cases, ha?
Yeah.
So what I do is, instead of having the case dismissed, I just explain it thoroughly to the complainant that we'd rather withdraw the information. Withdraw the information
Mag-investigate
either, yes, withdraw the information for appropriate filing, for appropriate, other legal remedies. Kasi masakit matalo sa korte. Oo. Okay naman. And when we amend or withdraw an information, it must always have the approval of our provincial prosecutor. And good thing, in all cases that I've decided to withdraw information, na pumiperma naman. So, ibig sabihin, okay, he's with me. Nag-agree naman.
Yeah.
Okay. Yun yung
So,
importante doon.
minsan, I've seen cases na to my assessment, hindi naman talaga murder, at saka mahirap kasi yung murder, no bail. Tingin ko naman kasi parang homicide lang. So, ang hirap kasi may mga fiscal talaga na tuloy na lang natin and let the court decide. Parang, fiscal, nakikita mo naman. Pwede ka namang mag-assess.
I understand the predicament of lawyers for accused sa mga ganyan.
Mm-mm.
Ang masasabi ko lang is, attorney, you just file a petition for bail.
Petition
So,
for
para at least I can be compelled to present, idiga ko na lahat ng ebidensya. But if not, you let your client post bail. And then we continue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, mga minsan, may mga at least hearing from you na you're open naman to possibilities
yes.
of mag-i-investigate ulit,
I-investigate.
i-withdraw kung may,
Of course.
diba?
Yeah, of
Kasi
course.
mahirap kasi.
Yeah.
Diba?
We are not heartless. Prosecutors are not heartless.
Panyeras, ha?
We are not
Hindi
heartless.
heartless, hindi
Yes,
heartless.
we understand that.
Diba?
Yeah.
Sige, ito, fiscal.
Now,
Super important.
This is
Itong,
from what changed in your mindset or how you deal with cases when there is this transition from probable cause to reasonable certainty of conviction.
Actually, masaya ako dyan. Back then,
Why?
with the why? Because if we talk about probable cause, probably he has committed a crime. Baka siya nga, baka po pwede, di ba? baka lang
Ang
naman
hirap
eh.
i-dismiss.
Yes, ang hirap i-dismiss. You have no other option but to file the case. But with the prima facie evidence with reasonable certainty of conviction,
Yes.
we are really constrained to know, to assess the evidence kung mako-convict ko ba siya based lang sa ganito. Kasi pag kulang, I have to dismiss it. Sabi mo nga, kawawa pag umabot na sa korte at hindi makapagpiansa.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ang hirap niyan,
Ang
Fiscal.
hirap. We welcome that actually.
The
Kaya ako,
prima facie.
ang daming bashing ni former DOJ Boying Remulla. I really appreciate how he really pushed for that. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Kasi even, ganito we'll try to set an example.
Pero hindi kayo nag-weigh sa evidence ng...
We do already. With the new quantum of proof, we try to check if this will sustain conviction. Otherwise, we dismiss it.
We dismiss
Okay. Example is BP22.
Mhm.
Di ba dati with BP22 probable cause, the mere issuance of the check, that's enough. We file it, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. With the prima facie evidence now, the new quantum of proof, we try to check, even if the elements are there, if the notice of dishonor was
Wala.
not personally received
By the
by the respondent, di ba? Pagdating sa korte, napafile mo yan. But when it reaches up to the court has no other option but to dismiss it,
Dismiss
correct?
it.
Sa affidavit, Fiscal, for
Yes.
example, sinasabi ng prosecution, I handed to him personally,
Mhm.
tapos nag-file si respondent ng, I was abroad, nakikita sa passport, entry and exit ko sa Philippines.
Mhm.
How would it, no?
That's part of how we assess
Yeah.
credibilities of our witnesses.
So, nag-assess na kayo.
Oh yes.
So, in that case, pwedeng i-dismiss niyo.
Oh yes, definitely. Before pa talaga siya, before the Supreme Court issued the decision
Yeah.
that giving us,
Yeah.
confirming that indeed the new quantum of proof
Would
is
be prima
legal.
facie.
Legal sa prosecution.
Yes.
Ah.
Dati ang dami kong nare-receive. Ang dami pang nakalagay doon that the investigating prosecutor is playing God. May mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Playing God when we try to assess the evidence. It should have been the judge assessing
Yeah.
the evidence, not us.
Because that is the
Actually, that's the
Yeah.
challenge.
The
That's a challenge. But you
Kasi,
see,
summary yung proceeding. Tanong ng fiskal ha? Kasi,
Mm.
summary yung proceeding, hindi matitest, kung, for example, in the example na yung passport, we don't even know kung authentic yung passport,
Yeah.
di ba? So, paano yan binabalance?
that's where admissibility comes in. If there is such a passport attached with, that's why we have to authenticate. We have to, the lawyer has to make a manifestation that whatever is attached is a faithful reproduction of the original.
Mm.
Stuff like that. Ang daming magagandang nangyari sa prosecution.
because of the changes. In
Yes, because of the
quantum
changes, and
proof.
that is one of the changes, the new quantum of proof.
Mm.
And lawyers should understand that it is hindi naman nababawasan yung ating trabaho, but it's actually trying to make sure that when we go to court, when we file a case,
Yeah.
we have a good case.
Yeah.
Hindi lang for the sake of filing, hindi lang for the sake of leverage.
Ang challenge ngayon, fiscal, is that you don't have to answer to this. Ang challenge ngayon, pag nag-appeal sa DOJ,
DOJ.
We have a new set of rules for that already, di ba?
yun yung challenge.
That's a challenge.
Yeah.
Now,
Proceed tayo sa next.
we're going to point 3. The point
Point
3,
three.
common mistakes fiscal in criminal
In?
complaints. So the first question is that what are the most common defects that you see in cases bakit na di-dismiss yung
Bakit na di-dismiss?
Yeah.
Ang dami.
on execution?
Okay. I remember a case na na-dismiss ko basta I did not read the allegations already.
Mhm.
Ang tiningnan ko was who subscribed the complaint.
Who
Ah.
subscribe?
Who subscribed the complaint? You still remember what's in Rule
Dapat
112?
Prosecutor, di
Okay.
ba?
Yeah.
Under the rules, it must be a prosecutor
Yeah.
or
In the absence?
may second pa.
Oo.
Or an officer who can administer an
Yeah,
oath,
yeah.
or in their absence or unavailability is a notary public.
Yeah.
Okay. Pag titingnan mo, bakit notary public?
Oo.
There's no explanation na walang
Yeah.
piskal,
Ah.
na walang pulis.
Yeah.
Tinitingnan mo, ginugugol ko pa, ang lapit-lapit lang ng DOJ. Yung opisina niya, nasa ano lang, sa Capitol. Why? We have rules for a reason.
Mm-mm.
So, nilagay ko, without necessarily going to the merits of the case, it appears that the complaint should be subscribed
On
before a notary
technicality.
public. So that the lawyer will have to really read the rules. Because the rules are there to
Tama naman kasi.
comply.
Tama naman
Oh,
kasi.
yes.
Ang ginagawa namin fiscal, kaya ini-invite namin on Sundays. Kasi walang prosecutor. So,
Mhm.
ini-explain naman doon na Sunday, wala
You
yun.
have to provide an explanation.
Kaya,
ha?
yun yung
There's,
sinusulat namin.
Panyeros and panyeros.
Oh.
To
Yes.
remember. Provide an
Kasi may mga,
explanation.
na tinitingnan talaga.
Yeah.
Tama naman.
I once heard a comment na nasobrahan sa kamaldita and kastricto. Diba? But it's not about being strict. It's not about
It's about
being
the
strict.
rules.
It's
Is
about
following the
complying
rules.
the...
diba?
Yes.
Kasi rules are there.
Yeah.
Binibigay niya
It
sa atin
has
eh.
been there.
Open book
for
yan
the Yes, for the longest time. We just have to comply.
Sige.
Are there other common defects, fiscal? Aside
Common defects.
From,
Wala. If you file a case, you have to make sure that the elements of the offense are there.
Yeah,
Ayun.
tama naman talaga.
Number
diba?
2, even if the elements are there, if wala ka namang evidence to prove that, documents. Kasi wala namang laway na ebidensya in court. What we say, we have to prove that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diba?
Ang
With
hirap kasi.
documents, with testimonial
Mas mabigat
evidence.
naman talaga yung
Yes.
nakasulat eh.
Oh.
Di ba?
Marami. There are actually a lot of reasons why we dismiss cases.
Mm-mm.
Now, fiscal, second question, fiscal. Aside from loan being filed as estafa, what kind of cases are often misfiled as criminal case?
Misfiled. Most people think that if a minor is involved, automatic Republic Act 7610.
Kadalasan.
Kadalasan. Kahit basta minor, automatic.
Pero maraming desisyon, di ba?
Yes, maraming decision, kahit slight physical injuries lang. Now, the problem there is this one. We know that we have prescription. Slight physical injuries, these are light offenses. They prescribe in 2 months. But dahil lumampas na siya sa 2 months,
It's child abuse.
gawin child abuse. Ganyan.
Ang hirap yan
Ang
eh.
hirap. Also, kahit slight physical injuries, living in the same municipality, hindi na dumadaan sa barangay. Oo.
Hindi na.
Technical. Tsaka, flip-flopping tayo dyan. So, we have to, kung kailan ba, when does the running of the prescription
Prescriptive period.
Start.
Pero at least, na-clarify na ng
okay
Supreme
na tayo
Court
dyan.
mga,
Okay na
di ba?
tayo. Settled na tayo.
Ito, fiscal.
Yes.
Yung file ng private prosecutor, isang complaint lang.
Mhm.
Pero during investigation, you found out, may perjury, may marami pang iba. Ano yung...
Like the complaint
Pwede
supports
bang-
other
Yeah.
criminal case.
Actually, pwede.
Mm.
We have the discretion, we have the power to make to decide what appropriate case to file. So even if estafa lang yan, if we think there are other cases, pwede.
Mm-mm.
Kasi hindi naman assurance na estafa ang final mo, we also file estafa.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a
Because
good
we
thing.
evaluate the case.
Pero kadalasan, I don't know kung anong nangyari, pero na-experience namin na
Na-dismiss yung
dinidismiss.
kaso na.
Super clear naman na may ibang case
There
na
are
dapat ipafile.
That's
Ano yung
the
thoughts
job
dyan?
of the private prosecutor. Because if you think there's another case
Yeah.
to be filed, you should have filed that na lang.
Mm.
Kasi some prosecutors also see the case file. If it's STAFA, they resolve it based on STAFA only.
Yeah.
And if the elements are not there, they dismiss it.
Pero wala kayong policy
But
na,
there's
not
none.
prohibited.
na dapat, hindi naman prohibited
No,
na
no.
yung fiscal magpa-file ng ibang case.
No, we're not.
Mm.
In fact, I had a case na STAFA, my secretary asked me, na summary siya kasi it's just 15,000.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Summary, okay. Sabi na, fiscal, di nala ko magsasampina. Sabi, let me read the complaint. When I read the complaint, this is not STAFA.
Mm.
Issue subpoena. And we'll try to check. I did not resolve it STAFA. I resolved it with
Some
a
other
much
case.
bigger case. But at
Much
least
bigger.
I gave the respondent the chance to, controversial.
Pero kadalasan fiscal, kung ano yung pinifile,
Doon kami nagre-resolve.
Doon nagre-resolve.
But if masyadong yung fiscal, walang ginagawa, at saka gusto na niyang exhaustive at kanyang evaluation, pwede. There's no prohibition on that.
Yun nga, yun.
Because we have that discretion to file the appropriate case.
At least our new lawyers,
Yeah.
our new panyeros and panyeras know na pwedeng ma-resolve one another or pwedeng ma-file yung ibang case even if, for example, staff pa lang yung na-file mo na complaint, then the prosecution can resolve it and file another case, for example, perjury, something like that.
Or to be safe, you just file estafa or any other appropriate cases. Pwede na lang.
yun na lang. Yun na lang tip ano natin idagdag.
We have another tip.
Attorney Vic, yan yung ilagay natin.
Yeah, you put that.
Yeah, di ba?
Kung pwede actually.
Sulat na lang
depende.
natin lahat. Bahala na si Fiscal.
Kasi depende sa ebidensya, depende sa allegation, kung saan siya magmamatch eh.
Fiscal, parang time ngayon na ano?
Before we continue, Fiscal,
Before we continue.
Sa other aspect, mas
Okay.
focus na sa
Our
private ano mo.
gratitude to the sponsor of this off-court series. Let us give thanks to NK.
In case, pakinggan
NK.
natin.
Panyeras and panyeras, gusto nyo din ba na centralize yung system ng case records nyo, client records, documents, billings, notes, and calendar for your firm? Use Encase. Visit encase.ph to know more.
Panyeros and panyeras, now with In Case for Clients, ang dali-dali na lang mag-share ng update para sa ating clients. Thank you sa In
And
Case.
we're back.
We're back. Thank you sa
Maraming
In Case.
salamat NCase
Yeah.
for sponsoring off-court series, and we're back again with the very gorgeous
Yes.
Fiscal Adlaw. Okay,
Yes.
now let's proceed to
Ito, madali
another
itong
question.
mga question.
Okay.
Madali daw.
Madali.
Sige. How
Madali
should
magtanong.
Yeah.
how should prosecutors handle complainants kasi nasa prosecution who expects them to act like private counsel?
counsels.
Okay. I always talk to complainants.
Mm-mm.
Before, I'm the type of prosecutor who appears at least an hour before a scheduled hearing. In branch,
Hindi late si Fiscal.
Yes.
Ano ba yung court mo, Fiscal, para ano?
Even the
Di
court
kami
staff
pwede
would know,
magpalit.
if my hearing starts at 1:30, I'm already there by 12:30. Okay.
Wow.
So that's why I am also the type of person, I do not like waiting.
Mm.
I do not like waiting. There was
On
one
time
judge
ito,
who,
si Fiscal.
yes, there was one judge who asked me, Fiscal, are you willing to wait for attorney so and so? And I said, no, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Walang second call
Walang
ito si
second
Fiscal,
call.
ha?
Hindi, may second call.
May second call
yes,
pala.
pwede namang second call.
Ah.
But not to the point na hihintayin kita.
Mm.
Okay?
Yes.
Alam mo, we should always be courteous to the court.
Yeah. At
We
saka sa
have to
time
support-
sa other,
Of course.
diba?
Yes.
Officers
Oo.
of the court natin.
Never let the prosecutor wait. Never let the judge wait.
Mm.
And most of all, never let your...
Kahit
Ayan.
sino, tama
Kahit
naman
sino.
on time.
Yes.
Yun yung importante.
And when you appear, tapos late ka na,
Mm-mm.
don't be aggressive. Don't be, para kasalanan ko pang na-traffic ka.
Pwede
Yes.
namang mag-aga, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos paano naman yung mga complainants? Kasi from my experience, there are those clients who look at the prosecutor as their private counsel. So how do we handle that in prosecution?
I always explain and talk to the complainants. Ma'am, this is your case, blah, 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 blah.
Mm.
I have to let them understand that I am not here for their personal goals.
Mm. Kung yung tumatawag gabi, hindi naman.
Ay, hindi. I don't answer calls, yung mga numbers lang. I don't give my numbers to litigants.
Yeah.
If they want to ask me questions, they
Punta
can
sa
call
office.
to the office.
Andyan naman si
We have our
Fiscal, di naman
secretary,
umalis,
yes.
di ba?
Oh, yeah. Because we do also deserve our, our peace.
Personal life,
Yes.
di ba?
Mga tao din kami.
Ayun.
Ang fiscal, hindi lang puro likod.
Oh, kailangan din i-respect,
Of course. We can always talk in court anytime in court. But don't
Anywhere.
call me at lunchtime. Don't call me when I am sleeping.
Now, next Fiscal, what professional behavior do prosecutors appreciate from lawyers?
And the follow-up question
And
dyan
then,
is
the next
yung
question
behavior na
What behaviors from
Yung ayaw
lawyers
namin.
create
Yung ayaw nyo.
unnecessary friction?
Siyempre.
The yes and the don'ts.
Oh yes. Siyempre, ang gusto namin yung courteous na lawyers.
Okay.
Hindi
Like,
naman
no.
sa ayaw, hindi naman sa kulang kami sa pansin. But it takes madami kang pupuntahan if you're a lawyer na courteous. Not only to the prosecutor,
Yeah.
not only to the judge,
Yeah.
but lawyers should always be courteous to the staff.
Yeah.
Because that's where the ball game is.
Yeah.
Diba?
Super important yan eh.
Yeah, super important. You have to establish that rapport.
Yeah.
Be
Yes.
friendly. It goes a long way.
Naalala ko dati, Fiscal, nung bago ako sa practice, I have to inform the staff I think it was in BIR. Sabihin ko talaga, bago ako, ma'am. Pwede namang pa, di
It
ba?
takes a lot of courage to say that, diba? It takes a lot of courage, but it will, it will open up doors you never expected to open.
Kasi
Ah.
nakikita ko pag arrogant ka, lawyer ako, ganito yung na parang,
Yes.
okay, bahala ka.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, dapat courteous talaga.
Courteous. And prosecutors, we don't really like lawyers na overly aggressive, too emotional. My God. Kliyente mo yan. We understand that. But it's not your battle. You are just an officer of the court.
Oh.
You fight for your clients, but don't be too overly emotional.
Yeah.
You won't take bullets for your client. We don't do that. Trabaho lang to. But when we do our job, we do it with,
Passion, conviction.
yes, with conviction. But not to the point
Yun
na talagang
sabi nga natin, fiscal na yun, to the best of our ability.
to the best of our ability.
Wala naman dong mga emotion.
Wala. Oo. We set aside our emotions in handling cases.
Ah.
Otherwise,
In fact, fiscal, naalala
Hindi
ko
tayo tatanda.
dati nung emotional ka, nung bago ka sa practice. Uy, rape, ang sakit-sakit, kailangan
Ah.
tulungan. Pero, actually, in reality, mas makapag-protect tayo pag
If we are
sineset aside natin yung
Correct.
emotion natin.
correct.
Diba?
Ah.
Makapag-isip tayong mas maigi,
Correct.
diba?
But we
We
cannot
have
avoid also being emotional if we present a witness. If, let's say, a child witness. Let's say, a mother, a
Yeah.
scorned wife. Okay. In cases of 90 to 62.
Oo. Para
Kasi marami tayong
hindi
experience
naman
eh.
mga bias, fiscal.
Hindi siya biases. But, we understand where they are coming from.
Yeah.
So, we just have to tell the court that I need a few minutes, Your Honor. To gather up our thoughts. Kailangan lang. Kasi para ma-set aside natin trabaho to,
Trabaho
iba
and-
dito,
Yeah.
para we are more focused on ano ba talaga ang goal natin with a
Yeah.
certain
For the objective. of-
objective.
Ano yung experience mo, fiscal, na parang itong lawyer na to, parang went beyond na sa ethics?
Yes.
May mga experience ba yan?
Would you
I
have
do,
experience?
yes. Polite naman ako to ask the
Mm.
judge na, Your Honor, may respectfully request that counsel be reminded of his duties. You want
Yeah.
But there are certain lawyers na talagang aggressive. And I am the type of person, if you are aggressive to me, I will also be overly aggressive to you.
Parang do not do unto
to
others.
us.
Oh, iba yun. Do unto others what you want others to do unto you.
Yes! Kasi, lalo na pag babae. There are, konti lang naman in Cebu, but there are male lawyers who dominate simply because I am a woman, and I hate that. Because again, as I have said, we read the same books, we read the same jurisprudence, so,
Our difference is just gender.
siguro experience lang. But that will not make you
A better lawyer.
a better lawyer. That will not make me less as a prosecutor.
Yeah.
Depende yan sa ebidensya.
Kung
We'll try to see.
sino din mas nag-aral, magmamatter
Yes.
din eh.
Oo.
Kaya dapat prepared tayo, Panyero.
Read,
Yeah.
and read.
And now, fiscal, practical guidance to our new members of the Philippine Bar.
Mm.
First is, what is your advice to new lawyers handling their first criminal case?
First criminal case, never stop reading.
Never.
Never stop reading and
Sabi
never
i-read nila, fiscal, baka mangga yung i-read.
never stop reading and never be ashamed to ask for help.
Yes.
Never be ashamed to ask for opinions from old lawyers. Not old, sorry. Experienced lawyers.
Experienced
Ah.
lawyers.
Kaya walang mawawala sa'yo if you ask for guidance.
Yeah,
Okay.
importante yan eh.
Importante yan. And if nagkamali ka and we dismiss your case, do not take it against us.
No.
Makikita mo naman sa resolution saan ka nagkulang eh. Tinimbang
Makikita.
ka, ngunit kulang. Di dagdagan. Di i-refile.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Take
yeah.
it against me. Pag nagkita tayo sa mall, say hi. I am the friendliest prosecutor you'll ever know.
Yeah.
Huwag mo
Diba?
akong we are running in circles. Makikita at makikita tayo. So,
So, nakikita nga kami ni fiscal doon sa walk sa school.
kahit saan.
Now, what is one thing private lawyers should stop doing in criminal cases, if there's any?
Private lawyers should stop using criminal cases as a personal leverage. Criminal cases should not be used as a tool to harass other people, whether personally, whether in business, yung ganyan. We file cases so that we can attain justice. Never use it as a leverage. Makikita ng fiscal yan eh. Makikita ng judge yan. And no matter how much you try to mask to cover it, makikita yan. Lilitaw at lilitaw yan. And it will affect your credibility.
The lawyer's credibility.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Importante yan eh.
And you will be bound by that credibility.
Hindi mo mawawala. On record yan eh.
Wala.
On record yan
Yun yung ano.
Nag-file ng ano.
Yeah.
Now, fiscal, what is one thing from your work as a prosecutor that we, lawyers, should know but mostly fail to observe?
Sabi ko kanina, lawyers should understand that prosecutors are not heartless.
Yeah.
Pag na-dismiss kami ng kaso for preliminary investigation, people complainants usually see us as napaka-heartless naman. You don't understand what we're going through. But it's not.
Mhm.
I also would want private lawyers to understand that if the case is indeed filed in court, we are not aggressive. You know? As a lawyer, it's your job to fight for your client's cause.
Yeah.
Diba? It's either you're on this side or this
The
side.
other
We are not heartless. In fact, we are the most understandable people you could ever find. But just present to us the evidence and we will start from there.
Yeah.
Help the
Diba?
prosecutor
Yes.
resolve your case in your favor.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
Actually, fiscal, ay yung experience ko sa lahat ng mga government offices, itong mga lawyers sa prosecution, yung lawyers sa PAO, they're very friendly.
Yeah.
I have never
Yeah.
experienced na yung mga lawyers
Hostile?
wala, super friendly
yes.
talaga. It's just a matter yung paano mo siya
Pag-approach.
dinidil.
Yes,
Diba?
exactly.
Kung baga yung sinasabi mo na pag aggressive ka, parang mas super aggressive ako.
Yes.
Diba? Ang hirap niyan.
Hindi po pwede yung ganyan. We
Mm,
don't
diba?
let other lawyers demean us in court.
Yeah, super important yan eh.
Respect should always
Yes,
be on the
yes.
table.
Magka-level tayo.
Ito, fiscal, gusto ko itanong eh.
Ano?
Yes.
Most dangerous experience most
As a prosecutor.
As a
even
pro-
private
we wanna
practice,
know.
even private practice.
The most dangerous, I encountered it, I was still new in the prosecution. I have a high value target in a bypass operation. Hindi ko alam na high value. I just knew that there was a petition for habeas corpus pala.
Habeas corpus.
Habeas
corpus.
corpus.
Parang first time ko narinig yung sa drugs
Drugs. Kasi itinago, something like that. Na-realize ko lang na it's very dangerous because madaming SWAT sa labas. I went out briefly to the restroom. Ang dami, hindi isa, hindi dalawa, but ang daming SWAT, naka-Kevlar. Sabi ko, bakit?
Sino ba?
Ang alam ko, yung
Anong
chief of
nangyayari?
police nasa loob, okay lang yun. Chief of police, we can deal with them.
But what?
Bakit naka-Kevlar? Bakit high-powered? Tapos, pag tinitingnan mo, there are a lot of nasa gilid na pag titingnan mo, hindi naman siya litigant. Alam mo yun? Tapos ang iniisip ko, magta-travel pa ako pa city. I was assigned in Barili then. Magta-travel pa ako in the city. Saan ako dadaan? Magpapa-escort ba ako? My God, my daughter.
Sana hindi ka na lang nagtanong nun.
Di makikita mo naman, if the tension is there, you can observe. So, stuff like that. Ang ano lang is, yun lang. This is trabaho lang. Trabaho lang. Don't take it personal against us.
Funny moment.
Funny moments. I guess the funny moments would be how to interpret the answers of our witnesses. I once presented a witness in a concubinage case, and when I asked the wife, so when you open the door, can you please tell the honorable court what did you see?
What did you see?
Okay. Ang sagot ng witness, edi syempre seryoso ako. Syempre criminal case, seryoso ako, ganyan. Okay, naka-blush on ako, naka-lipstick ako. But I was very serious asking the questions. Ang sagot ng witness. Ngayon, nakita ko sila Bisaya pala. Nakita na ko sila, naggakos, ay murag iring gibidli. So, inisip ko, how do you interpret the iring gibidli? It was like, so parang nag-block out ako, pati si judge, pati kami lahat. Sige, i-quote na lang natin. Yung mga unguarded moments ng mga witnesses, madami.
Ang hirap
The
yun.
safest route is to quote.
Oh yeah. But
I-quote mo talaga. Hindi
i-quote
pwedeng
na lang
hindi.
natin.
Hindi
But
pwedeng
if
hindi.
you were the interpreter attorney, how would you interpret the iring gibidli?
Akala, I also remember sa court dati, yung witness sabi na, how did you get out sa hotel? Sabi niya, ginanito ko yung lock kasi ganito. Ang hirap interpret na.
Like this, and diba? The answers, those are funny moments. But that makes cases really authentic.
Yeah.
Hindi siya scripted.
Yeah, importante yan eh.
Makikita mo kung scripted ang witness. Pag titingnan mo, bakit thumb mark lang? Ay, perfect English ang affidavit. Tapos meron pa siyang, meron siyang words na ginagamit na kailangang i-nullify. Uy, alam kaya niya yung nullify. Eto, these are, coach, witness. Malalaman natin.
Alam
mo na.
Mas
Super
maganda
obvious.
Oo.
May case kami dyan eh.
Mas
May
maganda
case
yung
kami.
coming from their mouth ba?
Yung sabi ng
Recently.
hindi niya alam yung interpretation ng word. Kakatawa nga eh. Pero hindi pwedeng Kasi
Anyway.
ongoing pa.
Ongoing pa man.
Ongoing pa yung case
Ongoing
eh.
pa.
Hindi pwede.
Now, can we proceed to
Yeah.
another
Question.
Second to
Yeah.
What is one thing prosecutors wish lawyers understood better?
Given naman yan that lawyers are really learned kasi pumasay ng bar exam. Diba? That's a given. But I wish lawyers are more understanding of the fact that kahit sino yung kliyente mo, meron at merong side yung ibang
Story.
di ba? There's always another side of the story. Hindi mo po pwedeng, again, do not take bullets kahit alam mo lamang medyo delikado to. It's not, this is not the way it happened. But in the private practice, this is what I learned also. Kung alam mong nagsisinungaling na, just believe in what your client is telling you. Kasi mawawala yung konsensya mo eh. Hindi ka, I should have, kung sinabi lang hindi siya ang pumatay, hindi siya. And then you explore that. Do not really burden your life, your mind by asking, hindi nga siya, pero bakit ganito, and if you have lots of questions in your head, hindi na po pwede. Matainted na yung kaso mo. Diba? Just believe on what your client is saying. Kaya nga, it's the witnesses, it's the clients who are lying, it's not the lawyers.
The lawyers are not liars.
Not liars. It's the witnesses, it's the clients.
Diba? Sila
Kaya
naman
tayo-
yung tinatanong eh.
Oo, ano lang tayo? Naniniwala lang tayo. Tsak.
And we fight for their cause.
Yes, ganyan lang.
Sa ang
Easy as that.
ginagawa ko, minsan, hindi naman maiwasan, may doubt. Pag
Yeah,
may
there's
doubt
always
na ako, if the client is, or the witness is telling a lie, then hindi na ako nagtatanong.
You don't confront
Yeah,
the
hindi na ako
client.
nagtatanong kasi pag nagtatanong, baka yung trust ko sa kanya
Magbago.
masashatter and then I could not protect.
Was there ever a time that you declined to accept the case because
In many
think-
cases. In many cases.
That's good.
Sa office namin, hindi kami nagtatanggap ng cases pag during initial interview, hindi namin nakikita na may laban yung case na.
But you
So,
know what,
tiniturn down talaga.
pag weak case.
Mm.
Okay.
Tiniturn down
But there
talaga.
are weak cases that are arguable. Not all weak cases are...
Yung
Alam mo
arguable, tinatanggap
pwede.
yan.
Ah,
Kasi,
okay.
maganda din na, in fact, may case ako na gusto kong dalhin talaga sa Supreme Court.
Mhm.
Kasi, ang point is to clarify ba?
Mm.
Kasi there are really points na hindi naman clarified pa sa Supreme Court.
Yeah, kaya it doesn't mean na weak siya,
Yeah.
na it did not happen.
Yeah.
Di ba?
It happened. Probably may
Yeah,
kulang yung
may
mga
kulang.
batas,
Yeah, that's
yung mga
it.
ganyan. Ang hirap kasi pag tayong nagdi-decide. Yung hindi namin tinatanggap, yung obvious na wala talaga.
Yes.
If your case is weak, do you reach out to the point of looking for witnesses on behalf of your client?
No, hindi naman ako
No.
naghanap. Siya yung
We
naghanap.
ask them.
You ask them.
Sinasabihan talaga na yung duty, na maghanap ng witness, sa inyo yan, yung duty.
Yes.
Kasi kami, hindi namin alam kung ano yung nangyayari.
We are not there.
Alam nyo better kung ano yan.
Do you brief your clients when they appear in court? Ay, mali! Ikaw pala yung may question sa akin. Sorry.
hindi naman, ibang ibig sabihin ng brief,
Yeah.
siyempre, tinuturoan kung paano properly mag-respond based on kung ano yung nangyayari. Hindi naman,
But you don't tell your clients na, no, that's a wrong answer. This is the way you should answer. You don't do that.
we tell them na ano ba talaga ang nangyari and then you say it.
Mm.
Minsan kasi yung client, iba yung
They don't
Hindi
know
nila
how
alam
to-
yung nakalimutan ko, hindi nangyari. Minsan
hindi
nalilito ba?
alam. Nalilito.
Nalilito.
sila.
So,
So,
yan, kinaklarify.
Before you present a witness, you give them tips, not necessarily briefing them on what to say.
Oh, yan.
No.
Hindi naman.
No.
Kasi sagot nila yan eh.
And
Sagot
then
nila
is
yan
there-
eh.
Do you get hurt
Also-
if prosecutors dismiss your cases for PI?
Masakit yan eh. Masakit yan eh. Siyempre, masakit
Especially
yan eh.
fully paid na?
But
And then the client will confront you?
Sa office namin, hindi naman kasi kami nagtitingin sa payment eh. We accept cases because we believe in them.
Okay,
Yes.
that's good.
Yeah.
Mm.
if kaya pang mag-MR, then we
Mag-EMR
Yeah.
talaga. Nag-EMR, kadalasan nag-EMR.
Mm.
Pero pag maganda naman pagkasulat, like the one you did, hindi ako nag-EMR.
Anong case yun?
After, ano naman, so hindi ako nag-EMR.
Mm.
Pero when I see there's a point na pwede namang dalhin hanggang sa Supreme Court,
Then,
I'm willing to do it. I'm willing to do it.
Yes.
Minsan nga, sinasabihan ko, you don't have to worry about payments, yung mga ganyan. Thankfully naman sa office namin, nakakain naman.
When we do
Nakakakain pa
good,
naman.
there's always blessings
Yes.
coming.
Now, your thoughts, Fiscal,
Thoughts
on
on?
aggressive lawyers versus effective lawyers.
Ang tingin ko kasi, aggressive lawyers is their style eh.
Mm-mm.
It's their way of trying to make a point.
Mm-mm.
It's just a tactic for me.
Mm-mm.
And I may be a lady lawyer, but ano din ako, if you're aggressive, I can also be aggressive.
Back to you.
Back
On
to you, of
reverse.
course, yes. But yung
Effective lawyers.
effective lawyers, these are the lawyers who argue their case with candor,
Mhm.
with the courtesy. They lay their bases perfectly.
Mm-mm.
The laws are there, the elements are there. Ang daming matatalinong lawyers in Cebu.
Madami
Ang dami.
talaga.
Madami. Kaya pag tinitingnan ko sa calendar, nako, patay tayo.
Ano,
Okay.
Go
But
and then
But it's a
prepare.
challenge for prosecutors to be, yung kaharap mo yung lawyers na alam mo, ito, nagbabasa to.
I have to
Oo,
study.
nagbabasa to. It's gonna be a challenge. Alam mo, I welcome yung friendly banter in court.
A
I
friendly
love that.
banter.
Yes, I love that. Alam mo yun, there are even times na gustong-gusto kong mag-trigger ng lawyer para lang malaman what is he
Pero
thinking.
yung technical fiscal,
Technical.
technicalities yung in-argue.
Okay naman. Pwede naman tayo doon. Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
Gustong-gusto ko rin yan. Okay. We always, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, no matter how thin you slice a cake, there will always be two sides. So kung alam niyang technicality yun, meron naman akong pang-counter. Hindi ako tatalo.
Tinuturo namin sa office fiscal is, ano talaga, procedure tas merit.
Merit.
Before you
Yes.
go into merit,
Yes.
let's do the
Start
procedure
with
lang.
procedure.
Yes.
So,
Doon
nag-argue
tayo-
talaga.
Oo.
Now, Fiscal, we have a question from
From?
the new member of GMG Law.
Okay.
So, we have a question from Attorney Vic. So, Attorney Vic, can you give your
Go,
question,
Attorney
Fiscal?
Vic. Make the question be, yung
Attorney
talagang
Vic
maglalast
Victor.
sa ating mga viewers.
Go.
Yes.
And your question, Attorney Vic, is? Attorney Vic, question muna bago ka magtanong sa akin.
Teng, dededeng.
How long have you been a lawyer na?
I recently passed the bar.
Recently passed.
Mm-mm.
And do you
That's
think
correct.
you have the confidence already to appear in court?
I would say yes.
That's good. And yun sinabi ko kanina we read the same books. Okay. I may be experienced than you, but pag nag-appear ka, patas tayo dun. I love having you lawyers in court. Kasi ando dun pa yung, alam mo yung thirst for,
Learning.
oo,
Ayun.
gustong-gusto ko. Okay, your question,
Exploration.
Attorney Vic, is?
So,
Kinabahan pa yan
Kinabahan
siya. Ngayon.
Oo, kinabahan.
Okay,
Yung
go, Attorney
appearing
Vic.
lang daw, Attorney Vic.
Sorry.
Pag gusto mo ng if you handle drug cases, I would say you try to to visit our court.
Sit in.
Hopefully
Sit in
soon.
ka, oo.
Okay.
Kasi malapit na namin ma-perfect ang aming kosher buyer na direct.
Wow!
Oo.
Ang hirap nun
Hindi kasi, di ba, we all
Pero
know that drug cases,
malapit na
by
ma-perfect.
technicality na di-dismiss yan. Alam naman natin it happened.
Mm-mm.
But by technicalities na di-dismiss.
Mm-mm.
But good thing, our police officers, they are evolving, they are learning, and they are really complying the procedures.
Okay.
So, wala na. Pag sinabing drug cases, okay, automatic na yan.
Rekta na
Visit
dito.
us. Okay.
Yes.
And your
Okay.
question again is?
So my question.
Ang layo na.
Layo, Attorney Vic.
Go, Attorney Vic.
What's
So
your
my question goes like this. So how do you handle a situation
Na?
wherein you don't agree with the strategy of the private prosecutor?
Okay.
Yeah,
It happened to
fiscal
me.
and private prosecution.
Yes, it
Seryoso
happened
to,
me.
seryoso.
Seryoso to. Okay. Ganito yan. As a private prosecutor, you have to understand that you are under the direct control and supervision of the prosecutor. Diba? So, as being that, you should always ask guidance from the prosecutor. So, if the prosecutor would, let's say, tap your hands because you are going astray already, you try to, open your eyes also and understand that it could be good for me because the prosecutor is helping me. Do not take it against you na magkalaban tayo. No, because we are on the same boat.
Yeah.
Okay? It happened to me once. I had to ask the court to give us a few minutes so that I can talk with the private prosecutor. Kasi papunta na kami sa point na mag-argue na kami, teka, pareho tayo, magkakampi tayo. We should be, we should be agreeing on this.
Sana maraming prosecutor na
Na
ganyan.
ganyan.
Oo. At saka, sana, if may gagawin ka, you let me know ahead of time. Diba?
Yes.
And if I tell you something, you listen also. Do not insist.
Mm.
Do not insist. Kasi wala naman sigurong fiscal na gustong matalo ang isang private prosecutor.
Yeah.
Walang gagawin na pwedeng maka...
Oh.
Pero may
Shake.
mga fiscal din na wala lang. Bahala na sila.
Bahala na sila. Pwede rin, but
Pero ang
you
hirap niyan eh.
but you have to remember kasi na we are happy, prosecutors are happy if there are private prosecutors in the court. Because again, that's one docket off our back.
Yeah.
But it does not mean that you are on your own.
Yeah.
Be, try to call us for help. Do not be ashamed to call us for help.
Mm.
Huwag mong isipin na dahil private prosecutor ka, you can do everything you want. Again, you are still under the control and direct supervision.
Supervision.
And, ayun, eto pa pala, kailangan, as a private prosecutor, all pleadings must be with conformity of the
Yeah.
public
With
prosecutor.
conformity.
Yeah.
With conformity. Pipirma
In
kami dyan.
fact, yun yung gusto kong sana.
Na,
May mga experience ako na yung mga private prosecutor hindi na nagpapapirma.
wrong, that's wrong. We have
Yan
a
nga.
jurisprudence on that.
Yan nga. Yun nga yung mali dyan.
Madidismiss.
Oh.
Madidismiss.
Nag-o-offer ng exhibit. Hindi pinapirmahan
I
ni
cannot
fiscal.
be.
Yeah.
Cannot be.
Oo. Yun yung hirap eh.
Yan yung
Kasi
mahirap.
minsan
You
yung
are
mga
not on
private...
your own, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Under supervision nga eh.
Kaya nga.
Pero minsan, iniisip kisa nila, binigyan na kami ng
ng
written
authority, and that's
authority.
it now.
Tama na. Hindi.
It doesn't
kailangan
end
mo
there.
din.
Correct.
Ayun na yun. Yun na yun.
Yeah.
Now, Ms. Cal, can we entertain last question from
Yes.
the audience? We have here from, I think, Attorney Leo. Prosecutor Joyce, sinabi mo na any other appropriate case kanina na i-charge,
Yes.
will it not violate the due process requirement on the accused side for him or her to intelligently and properly prepare all his defenses?
I do not think so. Because when we subpoena, we give the respondent also a copy of the complaint.
Mm.
Okay? The allegations are there.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's not the
Already
title.
present.
It's not the title that's controlling.
Yeah.
But the body.
It's the body. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, even if final mong estafa, it's not an assurance that estafa will be filed.
Yeah.
Because the discretion to file the appropriate case still belongs to the prosecutor.
Tama,
For
tama.
as long as you receive a copy of the complaint. Eto pa, if wala ka namang na-receive na complaint pero may subpoena ka, you cannot find ignorance naman na I am denied of my due process. The
Nabasa
least
mo
that you
na.
can-
Nabasa mo na
No,
lahat.
if wala kang complaint, the least that you can do is go to our office and secure a
Oh.
copy of the complaint.
Pero may
Yeah.
mga party fiscal na mali yung address na ibibigay sa respondent.
Paano yun, Fiscal?
Ay,
Ano ba yung ginagawa ng prosecution dyan?
kami, we only rely on the address
Yun nga.
given by the
Yun,
complainant.
nga yung problema eh.
Oh, but when we conduct the preliminary investigation hearing, sa ngayon
Sa ngayon.
di ba, when you receive the subpoena, you are given with a PI hearing date
Yeah.
Yes.
wherein you appear.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Pag hindi nag-appear yung respondent, we always ask the complainant, is this the correct address?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
What is your proof na ito yung address
Pero
niya?
hindi nag-appear si complainant.
Paano yun,
Meron
Fiscal?
kaming mga notes dyan eh. We have a form na finifill up. Complainant did not appear, respondent did not appear, no motion for stuff like that. It will guide the investigating prosecutor. Ito pa, the preliminary investigation hearing officer is not necessarily the preliminary investigation yung magre-resolve ng case.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Iba yon, magkaiba. So, tinitingnan lang namin kung subpoena was served, that's it, we resolve the case.
Oh, pero hindi nga natanggap.
Hindi natanggap.
Ano yung ginagawa ng
We
prosecution?
We still resolve the cases.
Yun yung problema.
We still resolve the cases.
Ang hirap kasi niyan, kasi may mga nagpa-practice talaga na mga ganyan.
Yes.
Yeah, there are. We can-
Nung bago pa nga ako, fiscal, naalala ko, yung natanggap kong copy,
Mhm.
hindi talaga mababasa.
Why?
Sinasadya eh. Ang binibigay sa kabilang party, hindi legible.
Cannot be read.
Alam mo naman yung mga lawyers, ibang lawyers,
Yeah.
na biglang nasira yung photocopying machine.
Mhm.
Biglang hindi na mababasa.
You can ask actually a copy from our office.
From the prosecutor's
Yun yung problema
office.
sa iba. Yun yung problema. At saka may deadline.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Ang hirap talaga. Magulo yung practice, mga
Yeah.
panyeros,
Minsan, pag may nagpa-file sa amin, tapos ganyan, hindi mo mabasa yung complaint.
Sa inyo, mababasa yan, ha?
There are times na hindi rin mabasa.
Ah, okay.
Oo.
Sira talaga yun.
Yung mga attachments. Yun na, the attachments.
Yeah.
Hindi
Lalo
mo
na pag
mabasa yung
search
attachment.
machine
Yes,
copy
hindi mo
lang.
mabasa yung
Sira
attachment.
talaga yun. Pero yung sa amin lang yung hindi mababasa.
Hindi mababasa. Even the
Biglang
allegation.
nasira, biglang nasira.
Biglang nasira.
Ayun yung
That's bad. Mas maganda pa rin yung if we are lawyers, no? We advance for the causes of our
Yeah.
We do it the right way.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we have come to
Two.
parang overtime na tayo eh.
Final question na ba?
Welcome to
May
the
question pa?
last question.
Oh, may
Ah,
last
last
question.
question.
Last na
Ay.
lang, Fiskal.
That's it?
Okay.
Para nakulangan si Pascal.
May part 2 pa to.
Question.
What does public service mean to you as a prosecutor?
Yan, parang pang Miss Universe na
Pang
ito,
Miss
Pascal,
Universe
ah.
na tanong.
I
Ito na,
repeat,
ito na.
the question is,
And the
what,
question is, what
does public service mean to you as a prosecutor?
public service as a prosecutor? I guess public service is about not winning the case at all costs.
Mm-mm.
Public service is about giving justice to whom it is due. It's not, kasi lagi nilang iniisip, pag prosecutor ka, we always want conviction. No. No. Oh, dati, masakit sa akin pag na-acquit. Siyempre, di ba? When you have done your best and yet the accused is acquitted, masakit. Yes.
Yeah.
But I have learned that it's not about conviction all the time.
Yeah.
Sometimes justice is about setting the innocent free. And that is still public service.
Yes.
Hindi lang sometimes. Pag free, dapat naman talaga.
Oh yes,
Pag
oh
free.
yes. Oh, that's public service for me.
Yeah.
It's not only about being there to convict the person, but it's also setting everyone free. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, giving justice to whom it is due, whether it is conviction or
Give
whether it is an
justice
acquittal.
to
That is
where
public
it is
service.
due.
Yun na yung caption.
Yeah.
Give justice to where it is
Sa live natin, giving justice.
To whom it is due.
Now,
Home
thank
it is
you
due.
very much.
Ay, tapos na yung last
Yeah.
question. Ay.
Thank you also, Attorney Hill. So, as we close this episode,
Oh, may closing statement.
Ano yung
ka.
closing statement?
May closing
Okay, go.
statement.
we
Panyeros,
close this episode of the Off Court series, we are reminded that legal practice is not seen on one side of this table. In private practice, a lawyer advocates. In prosecution, a prosecutor evaluates. But in both roles, the duty remains the same: to handle every case with fairness,
Fairness.
preparation, and respect. And also, we learned today courteousness. So to our guest, Assistant Provincial Prosecutor Joyce Preston Adlaw, thank you for sharing your time, experience, and practical insights on prosecution and private practice.
Madami akong natutunan.
Yeah, ako din.
Mag-a-apply na yan. Daming opening.
And to our viewers and listeners, especially those who are still finding their place in the profession, may this conversation remind us that good lawyering is not only about knowing the law, but also about knowing how to serve with judgment, integrity, and humanity. So, this
Join
has
us,
been...
Join us at NPS.
Oy, nag-hiring.
Join us
Join
at
na kayo sa
NPS.
NPS.
So this has been the Off Court series where we talk about the realities of legal practice. Thank you for joining us and see you
Thank
on
you.
the next
June,
episode.
yeah, yung next episode natin is
Is
June 20.
20, 2026
Yeah.
at 6 p.m.
Yung
And
off-court series, Pañeros, Pañeras, every third Saturday of every month, no?
once again, Assistant Provincial Prosecutor Joyce Adlaw.
Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you for
Thank you,
having me.
Fiscal.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Fiscal.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're good.